Welcome back to yet another module of Google AdWords. In this module, we'll be focusing on the final important strategy to get your AdWords campaign running smoothly, which is tracking your conversions. Conversions tracking is a free tool provided by Google AdWords, which shows you exactly what happens after a customer views or clicks your ads. A conversion can be defined as an action made by a customer after they viewed or clicked on your ads. This may include purchasing a product from your website, signed up for your newsletter, called to get to know more of what your business is about, as well as downloading your app. Why use conversion tracking? Conversion tracking tracks your keywords and ads progress. If you skip this step, you'll never have an idea on which keywords, ads, ad groups, and campaigns are generating money, and which ones are only pulling your resources down. In another sense, you wouldn't be able to optimize your campaign once it's up and running. There are quite a few ways to track conversions, and it all depends on your business goals. Some of the popular ways to track your conversions are as follows: online sales, phone calls, app downloads, in-app actions, new leads, in-store purchases. Let's illustrate an example on how you can track your conversions. For example, via online sales, assuming that you're operating an online boutique specializing in denim jackets. To track conversions, you add a single snippet of JavaScript code to the confirmation page where your users will view after they have paid for their purchase. In this case, you'll be tracking clicks on your AdWords campaign that converts into purchases. Let's say you make $40 on each denim jacket you sell. With the aid of conversion tracking, you can identify how much you spend on advertising your goods. In this context, let's say that you spend about $10 for each purchase your ad generates. As a result, your return on investment, ROI, is $30. This shows that your business is generating a positive value as you are gaining more than what you have spent. The example illustrated above shows how you can easily optimize your business with the help of conversion tracking. How about if you have multiple businesses to take care of? Well, it surely can come in handy too. By using conversion tracking, you can compare and contrast between the two businesses and see which AdWords campaign is working better for you in terms of conversions. If you track that your business in A is converting relatively better than your business in B, you can decide on ways to improve by allocating more of your advertising budget to business B, or you can make adjustments to your AdWord campaign to boost your profit in business B even more. Having your conversion tracking data is very useful as it helps you understand how your advertising campaigns help you achieve your business goals. It also provides you space to tweak your strategies and aligning your budget.